actually crashed my drone. So I'm gonna have to go to the Apple store and hope that they sell the propellers over there. How did I crash it? Well, if you haven't seen the previous vlog, I guess this is how it happened.
It was at this moment that he knew. He dumb.
But yeah, so quad, explore, and then tomorrow Barcelona should be sick because it is gonna be 20 degrees in Costa Brava, and in Barcelona it's gonna be 23, so that's gonna be lit. The guys are back over there. Can you see them? Can you see them? Can you see them? Say what's up, guys.
Yo, listen, stop focus. I'm bare.
Never mind. So yeah, guys, time for quad. Final words. Adidas gang. See you later, boys. We got this. We got this. One take, bro. One take. You ready? Oh, take two, take two. Oh, oh, so close. Free, take three. Yes! Let me pass you the microphone, bro. This is it. This is it. What do you have to say to your fans?
I just want to say that I'm grateful and happy that I can entertain my fans and
they're coming. Let's try again. Boom! What a view. Check this out. Cheers! And we're here with Mr. Pishwan Salim, the one and only. What's going on, lad? What do you think? Day number 3 out in Costa Brava. Thoughts?
good so far.
Good so far. Weather, thoughts?
The weather's nice, getting better.
Excursions, so far the enjoyment.
Well, we're going to the quads,
nice.
So if we don't die, that'll be even better.
A few minutes later.
It doesn't work
anymore. It's almost broken as him. His quad messed up. Yeah, it's kind of... Yeah, I mean, the problem is every time I change the gear, it turns off. So now we gotta have the phone, and I look like an alien wearing this. Bloody hell. Right, we have arrived at our hotel.
No fatalities.
No fatalities.
Everyone survived.
Top notch. Actually, everyone else took the wrong way, and then me and him, obviously.
GPS
smart ones, you know what I'm saying? Bezat, what do you think of the overall experience of the quad bikes, mate?
It's sick, you know, because you can go anywhere. The roads are really complicated because you're on the wrong side of the road, but despite that, it's calm because we've got all experienced people, including myself, drivers. Yeah. Responsible people. You have to be responsible.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Let's go. Should we go upstairs, grab our trunks, grab some food,
and swim in,
and I will catch you guys in a bit. Cheers. The Adidas brothers.
I'm gonna have the fun.
And then there's the alpha male with the grey Adidas.
Alpha being special.
Man, special and that.
Don't kiss the cat. I'm gonna get this on video, right?
Go on.
How much this guy's grey is gonna pay for everyone's food?
Oh, very nice guy. You're very, you know what? We're gonna eat and we'll be back with some more exploring 101 with the Life of Bako +5.
And quads.
Boom! Chicken Donna was pink! The music is coming from my backpack, by the way, in case you guys are wondering where the hell that's coming from. There's all these football teams over there that stayed in all these hotels. I think this must be some tournament or something. So yeah, we're gonna go up this snake path. There's some good place that me and Hamad found where you can take nice pictures, and there's a nice little small snake trail right to the top, and you can actually climb some of the cliffs that are safe for those watching here. Do not try this if it's not safe, but it's safe right now. Bezad, are you looking forward to this, bro?
No.
No?
I'm not joking, yeah.
Good. How's the chicken wrap, by the way?
It's alright. It's nice to have some halal food. I was dying from fish and grass, basically.
Yeah, cellulose, all the cellulose.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've just parked up for a bit, honestly, enjoying the view. we're all freezing like mad because look, we all got shorts on. Well, the majority have got shorts on. And when you're driving the quad, especially at this time of the day, up the hills, it is pretty chilly. So yeah, we kind of abandoned plan now. We're gonna make our way back. Look at these guys. Little photo shoot going on there. But man, oh man, this place is amazing, man. Especially these little snake paths. Amazing, honestly, I think. And so the guys, instead of having ice cream, I look like an alien wearing this and talking with this. And so instead of having ice cream, we went and got some hot chocolate and some food because I think everyone was starving. So Mr. Kiz has kindly volunteered to drop me off at the hotel because it was only me and Pishon that had shorts and I've got nothing underneath this. So I'm feeling the cold to its maximum extent. Does that even make sense? No?
Bako, don't be a backseat driver. I'm telling you that now. You're gonna walk.
You're good. You may go away. And I've kind of lost everyone, which means I'm here at the quad place. I've handed over my quad while everyone else is going to get ice cream. So hopefully Beza's gonna come rescue me, in theory. And yeah, that was a bad move.
One eternity later.
Yeah, I've been waiting here for a while now. This is what happens when you get two quads that are both right, man. I got unlucky twice. It's so bad, literally. While they're chilling, having ice cream, I'm here by myself, doing nothing. Oh, I can hear Beza coming. There's gonna be Beza. This is Beza, guaranteed. Beza's gonna come. There he is. Survival. Guys, I feel so blessed to be able to travel and work, man. Honestly, I said it previously as well, man. Honestly, work your bloody backside off and do what I'm doing. Honestly, every month or every other month-ish, I travel and go to these places, man. It's amazing, man. And I get to show you guys where I'm actually going. The guys are actually waiting for me, so I need to grab my things. Right, guys, here's the team. Introducing Kizer and Hamad at the front. Then we have Mr. Beza, the big man. Then we have Mr. Hani. Then we have Mr. Pishon going backwards. And then I'm right there at the back. Let's get a chicken doner wrap with that amazing chili sauce the guys do down by the beach. Whew, run out of breath. See you guys in a bit. Mr. Beza Khan, what do you want to say to the audience watching this, mate? Should they come to Costa Brava or not?
Depends who you go with. If you got the right squad, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Our squad's kind of lit, like matching jumpers,
the people,
matching all the hats.
except for Hamad, he likes to be the alpha male and grey.
No, he's an outsider. He's an outsider. He's the one with special needs, right? So
Yeah,
we give him the highlight.
Yeah.
So in case he gets lost, at least we can find him.
Find him straight away. There he is. Hamad, boom. There you go.
Yep.
Yeah, but Costa Brava is good, honestly. Any destination, to be honest, any destination, am I right, Beza? Is good depending on who you go with,
and your
depending
mindset.
on who you go with, your mindset, and whether there's music or not.
Yeah, definitely. A speaker is a necessity. And a good DJ. If you got someone that's probably gonna play depressing songs, don't bring it. You don't want any of that, because then that's your holiday ruined.
Alright.
It's a nice place. It's not too bad. Just be smart with your money.
Okay, we're not we're not the best, are we, with that?
Yeah, but we're ballers, innit?
We're ballers, part-time ballers. I think the one thing that we all need to do is after we drop the quad bikes, go home and sleep for a couple hours, because being here we barely sleep. We get about 5 or 6 hours, and over the days, by the time we go back, our health is going to deteriorate a lot. So that's a necessity. Alright, so this is the boring part of the vlog, and if you don't want to listen, then by all means skip to the next vlog, or skip to if there's anything else after this. But so a question I always get, some personal question. I get a lot of personal questions by people on social media and stuff, but the one I always get is, how do you get over depression, and how do you kind of tackle mental health problems and stuff? So I'm not gonna go through this vlog and talk 5 minutes, because so far this vlog's been adventurous and fun and everything, so I'm not gonna start making it all sad or anything like that. But for those people that keep on asking me about that, it's not something that you kind of you don't necessarily have to get over it. Sometimes you just have to kind of deal with it, and there's different ways you kind of deal with it. One of the ways I deal with is I hang out. I try and hang out all the time, well, as much as I can, with positive people that are like-minded like me. We have similar thoughts, similar, you know, goals, aims, and stuff. So that's what I try to do. And mental health is one of those things where you really have to. It's one of those things where you can't really necessarily get over it, but you just have to do things to deal with it. So one thing that in 2018 that I've discovered that really helps me is traveling. So I've already been to, and it's March, and I've already been to 3 destinations. I've been in Germany in January, Canada in February, and I'm in Spain right now, Costa Brava, with the lads. So the one thing I always say is find something that helps you, honestly, because the one thing it took me a while, and not many people actually knew what I was going through, but although on social media I come across as the most funny, happiest guy going, but some people, you know, people just because they smile will look fun. Honestly, social media is so false, and everyone looks like they have the perfect life or whatever it is. But yeah, so it's one of those things, man. Try and find something for yourself, man. For me, entertainment, make other people smile, and traveling is. I've always wanted to travel from a young age. You know, life is really, really short, believe it or not, and there's so many places to explore, as I said previously. So many amazing, beautiful places, as you saw in this vlog. And the most important thing is who you spend it with and how you spend it with. You know, how you exactly go about with it. Because you can go with 2 people or 20 people, and if they're all, you know, if the 20 people aren't really like-minded like you, whereas the 2 people are, then, you know, you'll have more fun if you just go with the 2 people. But you gotta find out the perfect balance. For me, you know, like I said, traveling always helps me. Making other people, you know, making all these skits and stuff always helps me. But I don't excuse this. I know it looks really gross, but it's just I kind of fell on concrete, and it's kind of got grace, and I've been peeling the little scab off, which is really bad. Don't do that. But yeah, man, just try and find what helps you. I'm sorry, I know this is quite boring, so like I said, skip this part if you don't want to listen. But there's one thing. There's a lot of things that people always ask me, and I'm just gonna ignore it and not answer it. I'm not gonna give you the examples of what, but honestly, if I don't ever answer a personal question that you ask me, then just know it's just one of those things where it's either a fear of mine, of me not sharing with you guys, or it's just something very, very personal to me. By the way, I've not been hit or anything. This is from my bag, honestly. My backpack, having it all the time with my camera gear and equipment and stuff. Kind of left those marks on me. Anywho, I am accompanied with the 2 brethren, 2 roommates, Mr. Bezad, Mr. Pishwan over there. And yeah, man. Best tip you're ever gonna get: find good company, find like-minded people. If you want to be successful in life, hang out with those people that have similar mindsets, goals like you. If you want to be rich, hang out with the rich. If you want to be good at football, play with the best footballers. It's one of those. It's like, why did Messi, sorry to interrupt you, why did Messi get so good at football? Is because he played it from a young age with the first team Barcelona players, and he got, you know, the best experience out there from players like Ronaldinho and stuff. Sorry, do you want to say something?
No, bro, it's right.
You sure? I'm done.
No, I was gonna say if you want to be a legend, hang out with me, you know, but it's cool, bro. You keep all your fans.
Anyways, guys, I'm sorry about the boring part. I'm gonna end this vlog. I don't know how I'm gonna end it, but if there's anything after this, hey ho. If not, then thank you very much for watching. That's it from me, Pishwan.
Subscribe to the Life of Bako.
The Life of Bako vlogs, actually. This is Bako vlogs. Yeah.
Bako.
Actually, subscribe to both of them, man. Honestly.
Subscribe to them.
Hey, listen, my number's 0735401.
Anyways, guys, until next time, peace.